So I screwed up when I was designing Funtime Freddy's eyes. I had it way the hell out here and not actually in his head, so I didn't see any conflictions. Sadly, his middle inner plate has some conflictions. It would the arm was like clipping into the actual base for the eye piece, so I had to just completely there you go. There you go. I had to completely redesign it so it just goes out and then around the eyepiece. So yeah, that's another thing I got to reprint. But luckily, this is such a small part. I'm probably gonna shave some more off to make it easier to print. But yeah, little small update. And but just look at him. He looks like a little chubby kid with his cheeks all puffy, like he's like, "Hi." Oh, hang on. Oh, rum, rum, rum. Give me more candy. Mwah, 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 mwah. If you saw the derangement from last stream, you're probably wondering, like, you know. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully, by tonight, I'll have all of his eye parts printed. I gotta reprint these, and then I'll install all the servos and get an animation up and running. Maybe I still have to do some reworking for his servo, for his neck, but hey, whatever. I can figure that out later. Away! Oh, wait. Floppy the toppy flops. Floppy.